Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Xiaomi, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. Here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot, wipe data, connect with Mi Assistant and safe mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted. Now then select reboot to system, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.